You see so many stories about people losing their homes to foreclosure, but as long as you make your payments, you're safe, right? Wrong. Problem solver Carrie Tomlinson shows us how a bank error could be kicking a local woman and her children out of their home.
I know you want to go outside. I know that.
Winter at Stephanie Johnson King's home farm in northwest Portland.
Just have loved it from the very beginning.
Soon, the voices of children will return
I love Fuji!
for spring gardening and summer tomato harvest. Part of her business, Camps for Kids.
It's what I grew up with back in Minnesota on the farm, and it's what I wanted to extend to my children, but also to others.
But Stephanie may not make it to spring. City Mortgage is foreclosing.
It is out of control.
She lost income when her ex-husband died. She applied for a loan modification and got it.
Finally! And then I got a foreclosure notice.
Stephanie kept paying
This is the check.
$1,913.68 each month. The amount, she says, is in her loan modification contract. But, she says, she found out City Mortgage was not putting her money toward her loan, but instead into a City Mortgage account. They claimed her payment was wrong. And that was the amount agreed upon in the loan.
That was absolutely the amount agreed upon. Yes.
She says she's given them almost $50,000 toward her house.
You have paid it. It's supposed to go to your loan,
Right.
but it's gone away.
Some City Mortgage branches have gone away as well, like this one that used to be here in Happy Valley. Stephanie calls the 800 number. She sends documents. She sends certified mail. When she calls back, she says they tell her they still don't know what she's talking about, or they say they've lost her paperwork.
They set a date for auction.
There's no consistency. There's no communication within City Mortgage between departments. It's a disaster.
In Oregon and Washington, the bank can take your house without a hearing.
So nobody gets to hear your case.
Nobody gets to hear my case.
Finally, she filed suit. We called Citibank,
And that she paid that for many months.
Spokesperson Mark Rogers assured us he would check and call back.
Well, it's been several weeks and we have heard absolutely nothing. So we are going to call Mark Rogers back and find out what's going on.
He finally sent us an email saying they will not comment on Stephanie's case, which is in litigation. He hinted it was Stephanie's fault for making wrong payments and not communicating with City Mortgage.
It was absolutely laughable.
She wonders how many calls, letters, and lawsuits before the bank believes she has communicated enough. At stake, her home, her business, her children.
You don't evict someone from their home that they've been in for 8 years because you made a clerical error and figure it out later.
Carrie Tomlinson, K2 News.
City Mortgage decided to put a hold on the foreclosure for now, so Stephanie will get her hearing. If you think your bank may be making a mistake with your mortgage, there are steps you can take. First of all, keep detailed notes of every call with the bank. If there is a problem, check on your case with the bank at least every week. Try local or national housing counselor. We have a list at KATU.com under problem solvers. They tell us they are seeing more and more of these wrongful foreclosure lawsuits in the area.